Okay, this is Earl's wild idea that we're gonna put the Dodge tow truck up on this ramp. Shit, I can't believe he's doing this. Oh my god. What a place to die. This fool is crazy. Oh shit, he's up there. I don't believe it. You are crazy, brother. Oh shit. That's... So let's give you a look at what my car lot looks like. That's my front line right there. What do you think, David? You want to drive it up there next time?
No, we only live once, though.
Is that going to be all right with the tires down off the side? Will that be all
right.
Yeah. Damn. He's got some...
That's what I was telling you.
Yeah, this thing was last on the road, 85. It's a local tow truck for a while. So, for fun, we threw it up there. So you saw how he did that, so if you ever need to pull it up there, you can, right?
Yeah. He said we're taking it off.
Right, it's up there now.
One time's coming down when his buddy buys it.
Uh-huh.